Hi, welcome to one more video from CarInspected. This is a Cadillac Deville 1970. The car is in Toronto, Ontario. As you can see, the car is inside of indoor garage. It's not possible to drive the car, although the engine is running. Not exactly in a good condition, but it's running. Now the engine is not working because have sparks coming from the spark plug cables, and to avoid some accident like fire, it was decided to keep the engine down. So the battery is new, it's a cheap battery from Costco. So the engine needs to be fixed, so the hose, wires, so need to change, need to be cleaned. The chrome around the car, so they have some rust, need to fix as well, need to be restored. The windows are working according to the seller. The lights under the dashboard are working. As you can see, the pedals are in good condition. The rubber mat, probably original from the car, have a Cadillac logo. So according to the seller, he never changed it, never touched on that. So probably original from the car. Have some water on the carpet on the driver's side. Probably water infiltration, although this car is parked for a long time inside. So, but all the rest of the carpet is dry, so probably have something that had wet the carpet, and with the rubber over, or not possible to evaporate. The dashboard is good. The seats are in good condition. The leather is good. The lock mechanism on the front seat, they are working very well. Seat belts are working as well. This is the ashtray that is possible to open and close. Need to clean, but it's good. The door can open and close very smoothly. So this is the trunk door. As you can see, have a tape, probably have water infiltration, and use this tape to avoid the water inside of the trunk. But it's very difficult to remove the tape now, and the removing can damage the painting. The car needs to be completely restored. Okay, so underneath the car have rust. The exhaust need to be changed. Suspension need to work. So the car is a car for restoration. Have rust under the chromes. This is the roof. So the roof is in good condition. This is a fabric. The fabric is in really good condition. Inside as well, there is no problem on the interior of this car. The interior is dirty, but it's in good condition. The door can open and close without any problem. So as I already informed, all chromes need to be part of the restoration as well. The seat belt, it's working. The windows, according to the seller, is working. So the ashtray. This is the glove box. Have a lot of things inside of the glove box. As expected, the manual is not inside, but we already inspected classic cars with the manual, original manual. Okay. As you can see there, this is the spare tire, so need to change. The rubber is, you can remove the rubber from the tire using your finger. The car is good, so need to be part of a restoration, but the car is good for a restoration. The leather is in very good condition, really good condition. Despite it's not clean, but there is no wear out, so it's in really good condition. So now opening the trunk. So this is the cover part that partially cover the wheel, the rear wheel. So you can see have some rust, some peeling on the painting. Chromes, some chromes they are good, some need to be part of the restoration. The logo, so Deville. Lights. So inside of the trunk, very dirty. Some rust and need to be part of restoration. So this is not fixed. As you can see, the trunk is not well kept. So need to be part of the restoration as well. But it's a car that that need to be restored by a good mechanic. So underneath the car you can see better on pictures. So this is the Cadillac Deville 1970. Thank you for watching this, and please see pictures for better detail.